Itong sagutin ko itong pamilya ni, kasi nanawagan sila sa ano, yung mga anak ni Perez. First of all, I'm sorry that your father died the way it happened. Pero kung sabihin mo may yang listahan na yan, hindi akin yan. It's a collation, lahat-lahat na yan sa intelligence report, sa mga drug enforcement at sa intelligence ng military police. It's a combination. Now that list of mine which I read, because really everybody almost in the provinces, Marawi at that time was churning its full blast machines to produce shabu. Nagrampant na masyado ang shabu, mura na masyado, patayan ng mga tao dyan sa magnaglakad kasi kinukuha yung pera, mga estudyante. So, as a strong measure, being in charge of enforcement of the law overall, I had to, as a matter of duty of a president, the right of the people to be informed of the situation so that they can prevent, obstruct, or just simply shy away from people who are known. Hindi ko kilala yung tatay ninyo, hindi ko nga nabasa. I don't remember, well, yung cursory reading lang, pero wala akong minimorize na mga tao doon sa listahan. I'm sorry if your father was there, but really, most of those nasa droga talaga. Your father might be an exception, and you believe firmly that he was not guilty or liable of anything. Well, it's good. But the problem is name, umabot doon sa listahan. At mind you, yung lahat na namatay. Matirik. Well, you just have to look for the killers. Hindi dito sa opisina ko yan. It's not mine. Remember that you are fighting the forces of the Republic of the Philippines. Yan ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Hindi sa akin yan. Ibinigay lang sa akin. Hindi ako gumagawa ng listahan. Hindi ako pulis. Hindi ako sa intelligence. Dito po ako sa itong opisina ko dito sa Pasig, nagtatrabaho.